Hey guys, for this video, I'll show you how to autoplay an image carousel in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress account. Once on your dashboard, go to the right side and click on Edit Site under your WordPress website. Now, go to the section that contains your image carousel and click on that block. A settings panel should appear on the right side. If it doesn't, click on the icon in the upper right corner to open it. Under the block section, look for the autoplay option and toggle it on. You can also adjust the delay between transitions to control how fast the image switches. Once you've made your changes, click on Save. Now, if you preview your site, you'll see that your image carousel is set to autoplay. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.